Tiffany, welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm just going to be telling you guys how I started my business and how it's been going. I've been open for 3 weeks and I'm just going to tell you guys a business update. Like, I might have added some other things to my site. That if you're new here, my name is Tiffany. I am a new small business owner. I do YouTube, makeup, modeling, photography, TikTok. And if you're returning, hello, it's been nice seeing you. I know you haven't seen my face in a minute, so I'll stop holding up and get into the video. So guys, as I said in this video, I've been open for 3 weeks. That's crazy. I haven't been open for exactly even a month yet, and I've had over 45 orders, and I'm a small business and people have ordered more than one time, and that just means that if a customer is returning, they clearly like their things, and I have a lot of customers who tell me they want to return. I guess I'm gonna just start off by saying, when I started my small business, I thought I was gonna just sell lip gloss. And then if you guys watch my videos, you see I thought of little body oils and shimmers, and then I eventually thought, oh, hydrant mist. Basically, I was just gonna be selling lip gloss, and I got all this stuff to sell: lip gloss, lip oil, and lip scrubs. And now your girl is adding lashes, bangles, and anklets, and sunnies are on the way. I've just had a variety of customers coming in. There's some people who buy like 3 glosses, and then there's people who find my Instagram page and I'm like, I've never seen this name before, like, do they know me or something? And nope, they just followed my Instagram and decided to spend like $45. Like, it's mind-blowing to me that people are just finding my page and like, ooh. Yeah, luckily I've had a successful little 3 weeks in business. I packed and shipped orders out today, but as you guys seen before, I'm gonna move my tripod real quick. I had this organizer and I had that organizer, and now I have a shelf I think you guys seen, but it wasn't stocked with stuff on it. And then I have this organizer over here. Like, starting my small business was not even hard, but it was hard because of me. I'm like, I need this, I need that, I need this. So I'm definitely gonna start doing more YouTube videos on like how I print my own labels from home, how I use Avery, where I buy some labels if you're interested in that, how I organize my business area, because I'm constantly adding things prayerfully. Like, I keep having to add things because you guys keep telling me stuff you want, and I reach out to my customers like, hey, what would you like for me to add to my site? Because you love everything else. What is something you would prefer to buy directly from me so you feel more comfortable? Because you already trust me, you trust I do business well. The newer things I'm adding to my site, I have lashes and anklets. So I'm going to show you guys a pair of my lashes. These are not on my site or anything yet. Won't be for a while until I get the rest of it. Definitely not the next thing I'm launching, but I do have lashes. I don't know if you guys can see them very well. Along with lashes, the next thing that's actually going to be uploaded onto my site soon are some of my anklets, and I took some product photos today, but I'll show you guys a few anklets I have on the way. These are my anklets that I can put over there. And I decided to add anklets to the site because I wear anklets. I love them. Then I had to go back here. Also going to be adding bangles to my site sometime this month. I'm trying not to do everything all at once, but I do. First off, I got these little organizers from Dollar Tree, and I got 2 of them. One to put my gold bangles and one to put my silver ones. Here are my silver bangles from my charm bracelets. And if you guys want like more videos about bangles instead of just me doing lip gloss, because as my business grows I'm gonna be adding stuff, let me know. But here are the gold ones, and they look so pretty. Some people don't know how to work these, but I know they look small, but you just pull it to expand it. These fit me perfectly, and I have tiny wrists, and I can't wait to make these. I got these organizers from Dollar Tree as well, but they're like bigger than the little itty bitty ones. They're like pretty small, but I have one for silver charms and one for gold, and you can actually stack them because how the bottom is, you just stack them like that. So eventually I plan on getting rose gold and getting another container for rose gold charms. Here I don't have that many silver ones. I'll show you guys some of the ones I ordered because I have some bangles on the way, charms on the way to go with these. Like, my charm bracelets are gonna have at least like 3 I'm trying to do at least 3 charms per bangle. So we got this one, that's a flower. These angel wings that look like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like that. Gold charms, I definitely have a way lot more of, because it's easier for me to get gold charms, it seems like. But I got a lot of these little fuzzy balls. I'll pick a few of them out. So like I got a black one, this like purple, like a cream, cute little disc, because I just think these would be so cute just to throw on there. They're so cute. Butterfly charms, a blue one, then there's a pink one, then there's a black. I still have so many charms that are not here yet. Wait, I just got the gold wings to match. The gold wings to go with the silver. Oh, you guys want to see how my birthday bundles are looking so far? I got some specific labels for the lip oils in it. Here are how they're looking so far. I just decided to put one of the labels on the lip oil jars just to see how it looked, and it looks like this. It says Crown Golden Exo Tiff Collection. Perfect size for these lip oils. Like, I didn't realize how big lip oil jars be, but it's okay. I have cute little gold collagen 24K gold under eye mask, and it looks like that. It has directions on how to use it on the back. I don't know if you guys can see or if it's blinding. There's some cute little like pearls and rhinestones. So for this collection, I still have some stuff coming in. So it's gonna end up having like lip oil, 3 glosses in it, and a lip scrub. Yeah, guys. With my small business starting out, it's been pretty positive, pretty good. I've had a few problems with overseas shipping, trying to ship to Canada. It's been a hassle, and I'm learning myself. My customers are teaching me, but I've gotten quite a few customer reviews, and they've all been positive. And on my website, no one's given me under 5 stars yet, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's freaking amazing. I bet some people are gonna be like, this site is fake. But like, guys, I promise they're real reviews. People just love my products because I try to make them as lovable as possible before sharing them with you guys. But that's really it as far as the business update. So yes, I am adding anklets, bangles, and lashes, and I've gotten quite far. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new here, definitely like, subscribe, and comment down below what type of content you would be interested in seeing, whether you're starting your own small business, whether you just find me interesting. That's cool too. Just let me know, and I will get back on my regular schedule. I just need to find something that works for me because I still work a whole full-time job. So like, now my availability is fixed, so hopefully you guys see more video. It's my birthday coming up, so I have videos coming up relating to that. I want to start like just putting out different content for you guys and growing my channel more. I've been on YouTube for quite some time now. I'm completely happy with where I'm at, but I know I can make improvements, and that's just me being honest with myself. So if you're not following me, my business page, do so, just because, hello, giveaway, win something, okay? All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.